So this screencast will give you the basics of making an iMovie. The first thing you want to do once you open up iMovie is you want to drag some pictures in. And the easiest thing to do is to create a folder on the desktop and have your pictures ready. And then you just drag them in like this. Okay, now it automatically makes each clip 4 seconds. I'm going to shrink this down a little bit so it's easier to see each one. If you want them to be longer than 4 seconds, you just take it and drag it, or shorter, drag it to the left. And you can't put any audio or text in until you put your pictures in, so it's important to get your pictures in first. The next step that you can do is record, and so you click on this microphone here, a red dot will appear, and once you click on that red dot, it'll count down, and then it'll start recording. It's a good idea too to have the script written before you start recording, because you can do little clips, but I like to have the whole thing written so that I can kind of watch the pictures and time myself. Either way, you could do small clips or one long clip, however you like to do it. So see, it'll count down for me, and now I'm recording my iMovie. When you want to stop recording, you just click this, and if you're ready then to put in titles, I click on titles here, I can drag them in. And it's also how I can click on transitions, I also can drag those in. So if I want to transition from this picture to the next, I can put it in like that. Okay, let's say I finished my entire movie and I'm ready to share it. You have to make it into an MP3. You can't just have the iMovie file. So if I go to this little icon up here and I click on File, and then I click on Next, I could save it to the desktop. And it'll show me up here how long it takes. So it'll kind of count down. The bigger the movie, the longer it takes. And now I put it over beyond where it was recording here, but I'll move it so you can see it. This is my movie. It's an MP4, and if then I wanted to share it with my teacher, I can go into Google Classroom and upload the file there. And then that way it's also with all of your other files too. So it's a good idea to put it into Google Classroom or to put it into your drive at least so you always have it. And then, so you want to make sure that you're logged into Google, you're logged into your account, and you can upload it there. Okay, so that's the basics of getting started with iMovie.